Here we have what used to be the home for a couple of coyotes before we moved in. And with the fencing, they moved out. However, the dogs still pick up the scent. And checking out their hole. Hi, Ben. Hey, baby. Oh, big guy. Oh, now you're all dirty. Come on. Ben will walk with me on or off leash all day long. He loves it. Go play. And so will the girls. Hi, big boy. Yes, you're big boy. Go get him. Go get the neighbors. There's Diamond. Hi, Diamond. Diamond's squirrely too. She's the younger one.